The Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers of the United Kingdom's Royal Navy consists of two vessels. The lead ship of her class, HMS Queen Elizabeth, was named on 4 July 2014 in honor of Elizabeth the Fair and was commissioned on 7 December 2017. Her sister ship, HMS Prince of Wales, was launched on 21 December 2017 and was commissioned on 10 December 2019. They form the central components of the UK Carrier Strike Group. The contract for the vessels was announced in July 2007, ending several years of delay over cost issues and British naval shipbuilding restructuring. The contracts were signed 1 year later on 3 July 2008 with the Aircraft Carrier Alliance, a partnership formed with Babcock International, Thales Group, A&P Group, the UK Ministry of Defence, and BAE Systems. In 2014, the UK government announced that the second carrier would be brought into service, ending years of uncertainty surrounding its future. This was confirmed by the Strategic Defence and Security Review 2015, with at least one carrier being available at any time. In May 1997, the newly elected Labour government led by Tony Blair launched the Strategic Defence Review, which re-evaluated every weapon system, then active or in procurement, with the exception of the Eurofighter Typhoon and the Vanguard-class ballistic missile submarines. The report, published in July 1998, stated that aircraft carriers offer the ability to operate offensive aircraft overseas when foreign bases may not be available early in a conflict, all required space and infrastructure, as even where foreign bases are available, infrastructure is often lacking a coercive and deterrent effect when deployed to a trouble spot. The report concluded, the emphasis is now on increased offensive air power and an ability to operate the largest possible range of aircraft in the widest possible range of roles. When the current carrier force reaches the end of its planned life, we plan to replace it with two larger vessels. Work will now begin to refine our requirements, but present thinking suggests that they might be of the order of 30,000 to 40,000 tons and capable of deploying up to 50 aircraft, including helicopters. Queen Elizabeth class builders, Aircraft Carrier Alliance operators, Royal Navy preceded by Invincible class cost $7.6 billion 2019 for 2 units. Built 2009 to 2017 type aircraft carrier displacement estas 80,600 tons, 79 to 300 long tons, 88,800 short tons. Full load length 284 meters, beam waterline 39 meters overall, 73 meters, draft 11 meters, decks 16,000 square meters, 9 decks beneath flight deck with hangar covering the centerpiece of 2 decks, installed power 2, ex-Rolls-Royce Marine Trent, MT-30, 36 megawatts, 48,000 horsepower, gas turbine engine. The Rolls-Royce MT-30 Marine Turbine is a marine gas turbine engine based on the Rolls-Royce Trent 800 Aero engine. The MT-30 retains 80% commonality with the Trent 800, the engine for the Boeing 757. The maximum power rating is 40 megawatts and minimum efficient power 25 megawatts. Rolls-Royce announced the MT-30 program on 11 September 2001. The first run of the engine was on 6 September 2002. In early 2003, the MT-30 was selected to power the Royal Navy Future Aircraft Carriers, CVFs, and the demonstrator of the U.S. Navy's DDX multi-mission destroyer. In June 2004, Lockheed Martin awarded the engine contract to the MT-30 for its littoral combat ship design. In 2012, the company repackaged the MT-30 so that it would fit into smaller ships, and the first such order came from South Korea for its Daegu-class frigates. Ex-Wärtsilä 16 V-38 and 2 X-12 V-38 marine diesel engines 40 megawatts, 54,000 horsepower. Total 118.4 megawatts, 158,800 horsepower. Propulsion integrated electric propulsion, XGE power conversion. 20 megawatts, 27,000 horsepower. Advanced induction motors and VDM 25,000 drives decks shafts. Fixed pitch propellers. Speed in excess of 25 knots tested to 32 knots. Range 10,000 nautical miles. Armament 3 X-Phalanx CIWS-4 X-30mm DS-30mm Mk2 guns, for but not with. X miniguns, retired in 2023 and replaced by Browning 50 caliber heavy machine guns. Aircraft carried one X-carrier air wing of 40 aircraft, typically F-35B Lightning, maximum of 36, Chinook Apache Merlin HM2, HC-4 and Crow's Nest AEW Wildcat AH-1 and HMA-2.